Welcome back to the channel. Now some people are saying with the stipulations that have been put in place by the appeal court to hear submissions and whether or not there should be a retrial in the Vybz Kartel and its co-accused matter, the people are saying the office of the DPP might have taken on more than the office can handle, seeing that these stipulations said that submissions and other documents must be sent in by May 31st. And while any defense attorney representing the co-accused, Vybz Kartel himself, people assume that of course they might have other cases and their lawyer firms might be busy as well. But the office of the DPP is responsible for prosecution across all 14 parishes. The story I say, are the same office in charge of all prosecution across all of Jamaica. And with all of the high profile cases now before the courts. Now will this, along with issues with the jury and the circumstantial evidence, be reasons why the appeal court will not allow a retrial in the Vybz Kartel case? Well, before we get into that, I'm going to say an incident that took place on Olympic Way, and they will continue the Reason Nation. Look and listen.
Right, live on the Olympic Way. What is live on the Olympic Way? Major car accident. 19,000 car mash up. See that? Car all board. Come like about 19,000 car. See that?
And get moved with.
Car have a sidewalk.
And then can't drive a parking vehicle then.
See that? Fix the dog, fix the one here. I want to write off, call I want a junkyard. But Lord, accident can't done. Pro box, I fold up like a food box. Sorry the baby, I know I'm catching in my video. I make who know to see in a video. Try make sure you hide here. See that? Oh, see? It's a whole heap of vehicle collision. See that? I don't know how normal. I own 19 cars. See? 3, 4. Crime scene. Car dead. See that?
After can go and put the box done.
Yeah man, the man them foul up that food box there. I swear. God no. See that? There's around 19 car mash up. See that? Everything dead. Everything dead. See that?
Thing mash up. So man, so fuck up Olympic Way. Be a video in a boy. No, a cameraman side I go on right now. We don't know what go on. Yeah. Can't ask the question, you have to ask me there. Most the man fuck about that so. Check. Big truck get up on the Olympic Way. That evil. Yeah, no. Dogs just.
Now thankfully, no major injuries were reported in this major collision. Some people say some of these thoroughways or thoroughfares, some of these streets, avenues, lanes, whatever you want to term them, are too small for the amount of vehicular traffic we are seeing in these communities and these places as of late. In some of these communities, the roads can barely fit 2 cars, and they have people parked on the side of the road. It is said that some of these vehicles, were parked. Nobody never in them. No occupants. People them park them, either gone to them house or gone deal with business. Tell me what you think. Talk to me in the comment section. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now, as it pertains to the retrial matter and the submission hearing, that is what Vybz Kartel had to say. He also pointed out that he was happy that within days of receiving documentation from the UK Privy Council, the Jamaican Appeal Court set a date to hear submissions from both prosecution and the defense. Now, where some people are saying they don't know if the defense and the prosecution are going to present on the same day. That has not been confirmed. We don't know if statements will be cross-examined, meaning say prosecution are going to say why, and then defense are going to put forward why they should not. More likely the way to go play out, and the way we see it play out in the UK Privy Council hearing, the way submissions were heard are the same way submissions will be heard again. And keep in mind, as I said before, there will be no jury. The appeal court not deal with jury. Trial court deal with jury. Now what we see is that there's mixed views. There are people who believe that a retrial is a waste of state resources. Seeing all the way I go on. And as I will point out before, all of the high profile cases before the court currently. You have some people who say no. Part of justice, and there should be a retrial. And while this is a matter of law, so no polls have been done to see if more Jamaicans are in support of a retrial or more Jamaicans are in support of Vybz Kartel being released and no retrial being done. We can see this. After the UK Privy Council, most people seem to be of the belief that the state had something against Vybz Kartel. Would that be the influence? We don't know. Some people are also quick to point out, say, it was a different party that was in power when they were prosecuting Vybz Kartel. Well, while that is up for debate, and some people that said it wasn't up for debate, one party was in power. You gotta say this. What Vybz Kartel has continuously pointed out to the people is that both parties are two halves of the same kind. He famously said two parties but are the same sad song them a play. What we are also seeing is that some people believe that because of the amount of years them they behind the bars, it's almost like the people must say serve him time. Some people say one more them want from the artists. Some people say it's the matter not just about justice, it's the matter personal. We don't know. All we can say is that with these stipulations, even though what the DPP had stated earlier on in interviews is that her office was already preparing the necessary documents. So they already know so there would be a submission, and they already start work on documenting what they need to document. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share, and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel. Check out the reasoning, join the discussion, the comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned, and for like, share, and subscribe.